here, guys. So the weather is so cold. So we decided to make a vegetable soup, guys. It's very cold here. It's it's raining all day long. Oh my God! What's that? I got a tummy pain because of this cold weather, guys. Okay, it's enough. There.
Come back to me, 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 come back to me,
Yes, so I would like to show you guys how we cook vegetable soup here in the province, guys. This is very simple. This is eggplant, yeah, the onions, ginger, and tomatoes. We called it here upo, and the cabbage. So this is only the ingredients. So the water here is boiled already. So you need to put first the hard one, guys. So we will put this one. So we will just wait. We will cover till it becomes soft. Okay. So this is a province style, guys. Yeah, the vegetable soup, province style. Still have a food from yesterday, and this one, but you know, guys, it's not too good to eat often like this. It's not so healthy, so we decided to make a soup for dinner. So time check here, guys, it's already 6 p.m. Yeah. And well, I am cooking this vegetable soup. This is for dinner. It's always raining here. It's raining all day long. And I'm drinking now. And I'm drinking now choco, guys, because I got a tummy pain, so I need to make my here. Come here. I will this like so it's already soft, guys. So the next one is the eggplant. Now and then this one. Okay, let's wait again for how many minutes? So this is a province style, guys. We're gonna put a dried fish. It tastes so good. This is a province style. Sakto na rin sa bawon. Now we're gonna add some salt. So it's already cooked, guys, and it is ready to serve. Ready for dinner. You should eat the vegetables, Chanel. Okay, guys, so where is the ladle? So that is our viand for this dinner. So I will sleep there in my mom. So I will bring and I will just eat there with my mom and Ken Kobe. I know that Ken Kobe is already he's waiting on me. So I will go there now, guys. And it's already dark outside. Okay, so this is the vegetable, guys. What's that? It's already cooked, and yeah, I will get some
Gold bangle bracelet. They fine.
to bring there in my mom's place. I will sleep there again, guys, and I will eat there.
They fine.
The dried fish. Chanel, you like to eat dried fish? Okay, guys, so I need to end this one, and please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button for you to get updated of my new upcoming vlogs. And remember, guys, keep your head up and don't ever give up. Life is wonderful, so smile and be happy. I'll be seeing you on my next one, guys. Bye bye.